I've been getting a lot of questions regarding what size to make when it comes to the Vesuvius Tee, so I thought I would make this little video to explain how to measure your body and how to choose the right size for you. So first thing you need to do is measure your bust. Your bust will be the widest part of your chest. So around where your nipples go, that's where you want to put your measuring tape and do it nice and snug to get the right measurement. Then you want to compare that with the sizes and the measurements in the pattern. You will then want to consider your desired positive ease, which is basically the difference between your actual body measurements and the measurements of the garment. Positive ease means that the garment is actually larger than your body, which means that you will have an oversized fit or just a loose garment. Just as a reference, my t-shirt has approximately 21 centimeters of positive ease, which is about 7.5 inches of positive ease compared to my bust. I made size 4 and I measure around 100 centimeters at bust, which is 39.75 inches. If you want a top tip to choose the right size for you, measure a t-shirt that you really love and then find the size that corresponds to the measurement on that t-shirt. And please forget about the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They don't really mean anything, okay? So don't feel like you're going too high or too low. Simply wear what fits right. Well, I hope this clarifies any questions that you had when it comes to choosing the right size for your Vesuvius Tee. And please feel free to email me if you have any other questions. I'm here to help.